In this video, we will learn how can we calculate dot product of two vectors in MATLAB. We see one example. We have two vectors x and y. In we have two variables. Equation 1 is equal to x power x2 plus y square out square 2 is equal to a, and second equation is equation 2 is equal to x minus y approximately equal to b, and then we need to calculate x and y is equal to solve equation 1, equation 2, then equation 1, equation 2, and a x and y. Okay, now let's calculate dot product. Z is equal to dot x and y, and next we can simplify result again. These two equations we need to solve, but we have to symbolize the variable we are using here, like x, y, a and b. So let's see the result we got. So run this section. Here is error. We are using y. Oh, sorry. Actually, there is other variable z. We did not symbolize it. Error. There is error. Mm, 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 mm. So question 1. So there was a mistakes. You can see that was the equation we got dot product here, and then we simplify this equation. You can see here. Okay, this is the process. How can we solve the dot product in MATLAB? Thank you so much for watching my video.